Okay guys, so today I'm going to do a quick little overview of this XSense smoke alarm. So, yeah, apparently it's the model XP04-S, XP04-S. And I believe there's a combination version of this that does carbon monoxide as well. This one actually does carbon monoxide in the test sequence, which is very, very weird because there is no, I opened this up to actually tape it, and there is no carbon monoxide sensor. So that is very mind-boggling to me. So yeah, here's the front of the unit. It's got the tricolor LED. Hold on, I might be able to show you what it does, what I mean by doing the boot up sequence. It acts just like the XP04 when it boots up. Drain out the energy. Heard the little dying sound? And there's the LED. Amber, green, and red. Amber is for fault, green is for operation, and red is for alarm. This takes extremely long time to boot up. So yeah, piezo right here. And on the back, XSense Innovations Company Limited. I believe XSense is a Chinese company. What's weird is that it does not say carbon monoxide over here, which is extremely strange because you're going to have people that are going to hear the carbon monoxide alarm and then be like, what the hell does that mean? Probably going to get freaked out. Test, silence, and it also has the 10-year thing. And it does not have a UL certification. So I honestly, if you're getting this for a collection, go ahead. But if you're getting this for actual home use, then get one that has the UL certification, because this one does not. And I don't think you want to be with a non-UL certified product. So, yeah, they even have their freaking email right there, which is only something that Chinese companies would do. That's how you know it screams Chinese. And yeah, I have a Kita battery in there. Warning, battery's been removed. They literally copied freaking Kita. Like, I'm not even joking. Okay, let's go ahead and test it. Loud as hell, piezo. And as you just heard, it did carbon monoxide, even though it's not a carbon monoxide alarm. On the back, there's nowhere on the label where it says carbon monoxide alarm. So that's pretty strange. This unit is very, very strange in general. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.